Good morning or good afternoon. Let's talk about installing custom fonts. So maybe you are noticing that the font that you want is not listed. You're just not finding what you want, right? So none of the pre-installed fonts are something that you want to go to. So what you can do is you can go to Google. You can go to dafont.com, dafont.com, and then you can start looking for a font that fits the mood you're going for. All right, so I'm gonna go with Road Rage. I'm gonna download it. Once it finishes downloading, this is a zip file. So what you want to do is hit the little up arrow, show in folder. And then you want to right click, extract all, hit extract. You want to double click once it opens up the extracted folder, and then click install. This gives a preview of what this stuff's gonna look like. Once it installs, I can go back into, now this was called Road Rage, you gotta remember what these things are called. And up here in Photoshop, it should have added it. Oh, it was nice this one even has a sample. Sometimes the sample is blank. That's just because they just didn't make one. So with this sample, oh, I now have Road Rage. And that's how you install custom fonts.